The body is an electric machine, and only electric foods can feed an electric body. When you eat the right foods, disease cannot remain. The foods I share with you today are made by nature, not by man, and they awaken the body's true power to cleanse, repair, and heal itself.
What if the foods you're eating every single day are quietly draining your energy, damaging your cells, and causing hidden inflammation without you even realizing it? Now let's go directly into the foods that Dr. Sebi classified as electric and alkaline, because these are the foods that naturally nourish the body, remove mucus, restore minerals, and support the immune system without forcing the body to struggle. According to Dr. Sebi, disease begins when waste gets trapped inside the cells, inflammation rises, and the bloodstream becomes acidic through years of eating processed foods, dairy, fast food, refined sugar, white flour, and synthetic ingredients. Electric and alkaline foods reverse that damage at the root. So let's begin with the heart of Dr. Sebi's teachings. Electric fruits. These are living, high-frequency fruits that provide pure cellular energy. These include seeded grapes, seeded watermelon, figs, dates, wild blueberries, soursop, mangoes, cherries, and burro bananas. According to natural healing experts, these fruits hydrate the body better than water, flush toxins through the lymphatic system, nourish the colon, and rapidly increase oxygen supply to the blood. Grapes with seeds, for example, are extremely cleansing and help remove mucus from the lungs and intestines. Watermelon flushes the kidneys, improves circulation, and helps seniors reduce both blood pressure and swelling. Dry figs support digestion and help those suffering from constipation and bloating. These fruits are the first foundation of an alkaline diet because they revive cellular energy. Next are alkaline vegetables. Dr. Sebi emphasized eating non-hybrid vegetables like kale, dandelion greens, okra, watercress, arugula, and amaranth greens. These vegetables contain natural iron, potassium, magnesium, and iodine, making them incredibly valuable for blood repair, thyroid health, and immune strength. Unlike acidic vegetables that clog digestion, these greens remove mucus and support oxygen transfer in cells. Watercress, for example, is extremely cleansing and rich in iron, helping improve circulation, especially in older adults. Dandelion greens help cleanse the liver and reduce gas, acidity, bloating, and heaviness after meals. Kale strengthens bones, heart, and skin due to its mineral density. Now let's talk about alkaline grains. This is extremely important because most grains, like white rice, wheat, and oats, are mucus-forming and acidic. Instead, Dr. Sebi approved ancient grains, including amaranth, quinoa, fonio, rye, kamut, teff, and wild rice. These grains digest easily, do not irritate the gut lining, and provide slow, clean energy throughout the day. Quinoa, for example, contains complete protein, helping seniors maintain muscle strength naturally without inflammation. Fonio improves digestion and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Wild rice supports heart health and helps the liver in detoxification. Then we move to alkaline oils. Instead of inflammatory vegetable oils like sunflower, canola, or soybean oil, Dr. Sebi approved olive oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and sesame oil. Olive oil lubricates joints, improves elasticity in arteries, and reduces inflammation across the body. Avocado oil supports brain function, sharp memory, and healthier cholesterol levels. Sesame oil protects the heart and nourishes the nervous system, making it excellent for seniors. Next, we have alkaline nuts and seeds, including walnuts, hemp seeds, Brazil nuts, raw almonds, and sesame seeds. These give the body plant-based omega fats, protein, and minerals without creating acid buildup. Walnuts support brain health, nerve function, and memory. Brazil nuts contain natural selenium, which boosts thyroid and immune function. Hemp seeds strengthen muscles, skin, hair, and hormones. These nuts and seeds help maintain muscle mass as we age, reduce hunger, and balance blood sugar levels. Finally, we come to alkaline herbs. These are the most powerful tools in the Dr. Sebi system. Herbs like sea moss, bladderwrack, burdock root, elderberry, yellow dock, and sarsaparilla help remove mucus, detoxify organs, and mineralize the body. Sea moss contains 92 out of 102 minerals the body needs daily, while bladderwrack unlocks thyroid function and improves metabolism. Burdock root cleanses the blood and supports the liver, while yellow dock helps remove toxins through the kidneys. Elderberry boosts immunity naturally and protects against infections. These foods and herbs together rebuild the body from the inside out, strengthen cellular function, and reduce internal inflammation. But the most important part is this. Dr. Sebi believed the human body thrives on simplicity, not complexity. That means eating fewer foods with higher nutritional value instead of many foods with no nutritional energy. Electric and alkaline foods are powerful because they work with the body instead of against it. When you begin replacing acidic choices with alkaline options, your digestion improves, your joints loosen, your energy rises, and your skin glows. In fact, many people who adopt an alkaline diet report better sleep, sharper focus, improved blood sugar control, weight loss without effort, reduced stiffness, and fewer headaches within weeks. And in just a moment, we'll dive even deeper into how to combine these foods, how to start gradually, and how to build an easy meal plan using the Dr. Sebi system. But first, understand this. Your body can heal, rebuild, and renew itself if you consistently give it the right fuel. Now that we fully understand the electric and alkaline food list, the next critical step is learning how to apply this system in real life, especially if you are beginning this journey for the first time. You know, many people make the mistake of trying to change their entire diet overnight, only to feel overwhelmed and quit within days. Dr. Sebi always emphasized a slow, natural transition where the body gently detoxifies and adjusts without stress or shock. The first step is to begin replacing acidic foods with alkaline alternatives. For example, instead of white rice, start cooking quinoa or wild rice twice a week. Replace regular bananas with burro bananas. Swap spinach for kale or dandelion greens. And instead of dairy milk, try homemade walnut or hemp seed milk. Replace white bread with rye or kamut bread. And whenever you crave something sugary, eat dates or figs instead of processed sweets. These tiny replacements build powerful habits. Another essential step is hydration. Dr. Sebi believed water quality matters deeply. He recommended natural spring water instead of purified or RO water because spring water still contains trace minerals that support cellular repair. Drinking water between meals rather than during meals helps digestion, reduces bloating, and improves nutrient absorption. Next, incorporating sea moss into your routine is a dramatic health upgrade. Sea moss gel can be added to smoothies, soups, herbal teas, or even water. It nourishes the thyroid, strengthens immunity, rebuilds cells, and reduces joint pain. Adding bladderwrack alongside sea moss increases the mineral range even more. If you struggle with fatigue, inflammation, or slow metabolism, these herbs are essential. The next step is building meals. Breakfast should be simple, fresh-seeded fruits, herbal tea, and water. You can create a smoothie with wild blueberries, burro banana, hemp seeds, and sea moss gel. For lunch, have a large alkaline salad with arugula or kale, avocado, olive oil, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, walnuts, and lime. Dinner can be quinoa with stir-fried okra, watercress, or amaranth greens cooked lightly in olive oil or grapeseed oil. Keeping meals light improves energy, digestion, and sleep. The next concept Dr. Sebi emphasized is eliminating mucus-forming foods. This means removing dairy, white flour, white sugar, processed meats, sodas, refined oils, fast food, fried food, and artificial ingredients. These foods suffocate organs over time. When you stop consuming them, your body begins pushing out deep waste that has been trapped for years. Many people also experience detox reactions when beginning an alkaline diet. This may include headaches, more frequent bathroom visits, increased mucus, or mild fatigue. These are temporary signs that the body is cleaning itself. Staying hydrated helps the cleansing process dramatically. Another crucial principle is listening to your body. Dr. Sebi taught that food is not only fuel, but communication. When you eat electric foods, you feel lighter, clearer, happier, calmer, and more energized. When you eat acidic foods, you feel tired, heavy, irritated, or foggy. Your body always speaks. Electric eating teaches you how to listen. Seniors especially need alkaline foods because the body naturally loses minerals as we age. These foods replenish bone density, improve circulation, raise oxygen levels, soothe nerves, and protect memory. Many older people notice improved flexibility, clearer thinking, and less swelling within a short time. Electric and alkaline foods also improve digestion. When you stop forcing the body to fight acidic waste, your colon finally rests and repairs. Constipation reduces, gut function strengthens, and nutrient absorption skyrockets. Another helpful strategy is weekly preparation. Cook quinoa in big batches, wash and store fruits, pre-cut vegetables, prepare sea moss gel ahead of time. This saves effort and increases consistency. Consistency is the secret, not perfection. Consistency. There is no need to fear mistakes. If you break the diet, simply return the next day. Every improvement counts. One more vital teaching is emotional and mental clarity. When the body is fed living foods, the nervous system becomes calmer, anxiety reduces, and sleep deepens. Many people feel spiritually lighter and mentally sharper when following Dr. Sebi's system. This is because the mind is directly connected to gut health and internal chemistry. Electric foods elevate the mind and emotions, not just the body. Finally, the long-term benefits cannot be ignored. People who consistently follow alkaline and electric eating often experience weight loss without dieting, reduced inflammation, clearer skin, less joint pain, more energy, stronger immunity, deeper breathing, and better bowel function. This is not a temporary diet. It is a lifestyle that helps the body maintain youth, strength, and resilience. And remember, even beginning slowly can lead to powerful transformation. In conclusion, the message is simple. Disease cannot survive in a fully nourished and oxygenated system. Your body has the ability to heal itself when you give it the right tools. And those tools are electric foods, alkaline foods, mineral-rich herbs, clean water, and consistency. In the end, food is the most powerful medicine you will ever use. So start gently. Keep going and watch your body respond in ways you never imagined.